Money Moments on 4, sponsored by Gregory Ricks and Associates, the Total Wealth Authority.
In today's Money Moment, we're trying to save you some cash in a number of areas. So first off, if you have to take a trip to the emergency room or you have any type of surgery scheduled, we know it can cost a lot and maybe even take years to pay it off. Well, as it turns out, hospital pricing can vary as much as $200,000 for the exact same procedure from one location to another. So experts say do your homework, right? When you're buying a car, you shop around, do the same thing when it comes to those medical procedures. If you want to boost your odds of getting the best possible deal on healthcare services, first thing you want to do is go to the hospital's website. And here I'm going to give you a breakdown. You want to find the billing code for the procedure that you're getting done. Then find the hospital's price transparency tool on the hospital's website. A law was passed not that long ago where hospitals have to provide this information. You also need to figure out if there is a price estimator or maybe a shoppable services list. Search for the billing code using that tool. You should be able to get that price, and then you can look at that and compare it to other places so that you can get the very best price for your medical procedure. All right, also, we talk a lot about hurricane kits and preparing, right? We know we're in hurricane season. So one area that is often overlooked is how much it's going to cost you if you have to evacuate, right? A lot of us don't prepare for that, financially speaking. So new studies find most Americans in coastal states will spend anywhere from $1,200 to $5,000 to evacuate. Now, there is a big difference in those pricing. That's because if you have somewhere to stay, maybe family members or friends, well, you know, you can save a lot of money there. So the biggest expense is typically lodging. For many people who don't have the option to save by staying with family, there are some alternatives to lodging that can be key in saving you some money. Now, this is not new. In 2012, Airbnb launched an Open Homes. It's a disaster relief program that encourages their host to provide free temporary shelter for those affected by natural disasters. Often we just don't think about this option. I just wanted to remind you, as we are in hurricane season, that program's still operational today. During an evacuation, you want to see if you can find a free lodging option via Open Homes, and that way you can save yourself a bit of money if you do have to evacuate. Now, if you don't have emergency savings, which I'm telling you now, so try to save up a little bit. You want to cover your expenses. It's a good idea to have an emergency credit card only to cover those expenses during an evacuation or a natural disaster when you and your family members are in danger. That's your Money Moment for today.